I wasn't going to film this, but I just decided it might be worthwhile filming, so here we go. So what I've got here, this is a height gauge indicator holder that a friend of mine, Chuck Bomarito, cleaned up and gave to me. It's a German-made height gauge. The issue is the bore here for the indicator is 8 millimeter, and all the dial indicators that I have are all 3/8 shaft size. I need to open that up a little bit. 5/16 is almost real close to 8 millimeters. I got a 5/16 drill blank in here. I've already centered this up on the bore. Okay, we're clamped down a couple toe clamps. I got a block of wood. The arm is actually, I've got pressure on the block of wood, and the arm is clamped down so that hopefully it'll prevent deflection and also give us something sacrificial to drill into. So we're going to try to open this out. Okay, I'm going to plan B. My original thought was to drill this out one size under and then ream it to size with a reamer. But this is split all the way through, so it's got an interruption. So that means I would need a spiral reamer, and all I have are straight fluted reamers. So plan B, I got a brand new 3/8 4 flute end mill. So let's try this. I think that'll be our best chance of success. Okay, let's give this a try. We're going to go real slow. And we're going to put some cutting oil on there. Making sure we're centered. Looks pretty good. Let me take a look and see where we're at. We're still okay. There we are. Okay. All right, let me break all this down, clean it up, and see how we did. Well, that actually came out really good. Yeah, I've been reluctant to do this. I've been staring at this thing for quite a while. It's been sitting here on the bench for probably a year. Yeah, I just hate to modify, you know, a really nice tool, but I mean, it was pretty much worthless without having the right size bore for what we have available here. Maybe it's different across the pond, but everything we have here is 3/8 shank on your dial indicators. So anyways, that'll be a nice little tool. Glad to have it working.